back to my channel. Guess who I have? And you really have to guess because it's been a minute since you've been on my channel. She was only on it one time and it was like this and it was gone. She was in my summer looks video. You remember at the end, your clavicle? That's what I remember the most. So today I'm gonna be working on Mary's eyes, making her beautiful because we are gonna go out karaokeing tonight. Ooh, ooh, I'm ready. I'm gonna be using her Urban Decay Cherry palette. So I'm super excited because these colors are like all my favorite colors. Like purple is my favorite color. First of all, look at these colors. First I'm gonna go in with, see, I like this palette because it has all the names in the front, unlike every Morphe palette ever. So that's probably not true. That's probably true. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Feels, which is a very like plummy color. I like the word plummy. I've said that before. And this is gonna go on her outer corner, on both eyes, but I'm only gonna be doing one eye and then I'll finish off the other eye on camera so that we don't waste time. Hey, you don't have to be a silent model.
I don't know what to say.
So Mary is in grad school right now. She's going to UCLA. How's that going?
I'm tired.
That's what you said all weekend.
It is true. Working with kindergarten is challenging and fulfilling. That's where I'm at right now.
Yeah, kindergartners.
They're full of energy. You're also getting a lot of fights.
That's crazy, right?
Right?
Alright, and after I've done Feels all on the outer crease, I'm kind of going for a more darker look, so it's actually going to get darker as we go along. I'm going to go in with Devilish, which is literally Feels, but like 4 tones, 5 tones darker. And I'm going to grab it in the brush that it came with, because my brush is like really like spunky, and this one's just a little bit more controlled. So I'm going to go in with Devilish, and I'm going to apply it right underneath the color I just did. To make it darker, but I don't wanna, like, I didn't just put this color for no reason, you know what I mean? Like, I want it to still show up, so that's why I'm gonna go in with this color right underneath it. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with Young Love. It is a sparkly, very deep purple shade, and I'm gonna add it all on her lid. This is a very quick and easy tutorial, right? So far I've only used 2 colors, and like, I'm already basically done. Look at that color. I'm not trying to flip anybody off, but I'm super impressed with myself. But it's not even me, it's honestly just the colors. Then I'm gonna go in and I'm just going to blend a couple of colors more. I'm gonna go back in with Devilish because I really want it to be really, really dark, especially like in the edges. I almost wanna go with Privacy, but I feel like that's too much, but I might end up doing that. And Privacy is like this dark, oh geez. It's like, it's a brown, it's straight up a brown now. Okay, I've decided to go in with Privacy anyway. But I'm gonna grab it on a really small brush, and I'm gonna try to do like a triangle that goes this way on her eye, just like Wish Me Luck. It's funny because on camera you're coming off like this sweet kindergarten teacher. No. And I'm gonna go in with some more Young Love. You know, Young Love. What can you do? The more layers of Young Love you have, the more you realize you're gonna be old and alone forever. I'm just kidding. Alright, so I'm basically done with Mary's eye. I'm gonna do a little close-up real quick so you can see what it looks like, and then I'm gonna do the other eye, and then we're gonna come back. Oh my god, look at that gorgeousness. So we're just gonna do concealer right here to like go get away with all this. But gotta do the other eye. Be back. All right, cool. So I've done both eyes now, and I'm just going to be cleaning it up with a concealer brush that has disappeared, and using sharp. It's Tarte. It's Tarte Shape Tape, but I don't know how to pronounce anything, so here we are. Now, after I created the line with the concealer, I'm just bringing the concealer down, so it doesn't look like we use concealer to clean this up, because there's way too much concealer on here.
This is actually a really important step that I didn't know about before. As far as cleaning up your eyeshadow, it really makes a difference with how your eyes look. You can actually see your cheekbones again.
Ooh, okay. All right, now I'm going in with an Anastasia Brow Wiz that's broken because I only have 2 and they're both broken. And she forgot hers.
I forgot my brow wiz.
There we go.
I'm covering my face from the camera.
I'm so sorry.
It's my time to shine, Susie.
You're so good at looking like nothing. If her eyebrows had been done, I feel like I would have been a lot better at this because I'm not an expert, you know what I mean? Okay. Now, I don't want to do Mary's eyeliner by myself because that usually ends in, what is that? Yes, literally what I need. That's so weird that you have that. This is from Bare Minerals in the shade black because probably.
Drill black.
Drill black. And I'm gonna get one of these like angled brushes by, I don't know who, the Bourgeoisie, that's what I always think. I don't know how to pronounce this. Borghese. Borges?
Borgie? I don't know.
Okay, now this might not be on camera because I'm gonna need her entire face. Be back. And we're back. I'm losing lighting because I work so slow and it's like daylight savings times and this really just...
We started late.
All right, and now I'm gonna go in with a Morphe E36. It's a very, very, very small brush. And we're gonna be using the same palette and we're gonna be using the shade Turn On. And we wanna put this in the inner corner. This is such a pretty color that I might even add it in the middle of her eye to make it like more poppy. Now, I kind of wanna get a little bit of that and put it in the middle of her eyes. Open your eye. All right, now close.
What did you just do there?
Oh, so I had you open your eye because some eyes are very different. My eye, when I close my eye, it looks like the middle of my eye is in a different place than it actually is. So I made Mary open her eye first and then I put it on there and then I made like a little mark for myself, and when she closed her eyes, I was like, okay, that's the middle of her eye. Your middle of your eye is actually the middle of your eye. But for me, it's not, so I just wanted to make sure. All right, and this is just like, I'm basically making a line in the middle of her eye, but it's a line that's a little, it's not like super precise. It's almost like a diamond shape, basically, but no harsh lines. It's just, that's like the only shape that I think of right now. That makes sense. All right, and then a final touch on the eyes is I'm gonna grab a little bit of Young Love and make sure that there are no harsh lines. All right, so last step is actually just for Mary. I'm not even gonna do anything. You have to put mascara on. Woohoo!
As I wait patiently, as you make weird faces. You gotta make the weird faces.
Last step is to make sure that we set her skin, and then I will show you the finished part. Well, this is not the final step. We put this on and then we put some highlighter on. And as that's setting and we're running out of battery, solid, everything is going. Light, camera.
We're still going though.
We're still going. All right, so M438. Should we do your highlighter? We'll do my highlighter because I already have it in my hand. Let's go.
I'm using mix.
Oh yeah, I like that. I like when we mix. This is gonna be a really highlighty look. So from here up, oh my God, that was way too much. I love it. All right, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit on the top here so she's just like glowing everywhere.
I'm usually pretty nervous about putting highlighter on my forehead.
Why is
But
that?
it doesn't look so oily, because sometimes I think it looks oily. But I think it's because if you put the highlighter on the outside rather than like right in the middle of your forehead.
Because that's the T-zone. You want to avoid the T-zone.
I didn't know that.
We're learning. All right, quickly, I'm gonna turn this off and I'm gonna go in different lighting so that you can see what I've created here.
Alright, this is the final look on Mary. Doesn't she look gorgeous? She does. What can I say except that I only used 3 colors to make this, which is astounding if you're really thinking about it. Like Susie, 3 colors, this is what happened. But I'm also really thankful that I had a really good model. So make sure before you leave, you give it a thumbs up and that you subscribe. Thanks!